video presentation, 2016 Haas Super Mini Mill. We're gonna go ahead and just run it through its paces real quick. Handle jog, and we'll go X-axis. Go Y. And we'll go Z. Go ahead and simulate a tool change. Go ahead and fire up the spindle. Spindle speed's currently at 3,600 RPM, so we'll go ahead and crank it up. (10,000 RPMs), and we'll go ahead and bring it back down. This does have the USB on the side, chip auger, got the coolant wash down. Let's see what else you got. Got a pre-filter. Look at the inside of the control cabinet, electrical cabinet. Everything looks good. I'll walk around the side here. Looks good in there. Do have the manual as well. We have shipping brackets that will go on these machines before they leave. This concludes the video presentation of the 2016 Haas Super Mini Mill.